I'm Pete Skipworth. I'm Development Director from Environmental Monitoring Solutions. I'm also Chairman of ECAS, a university spin-out, and I'm a major shareholder in Seams Limited, another university spin-out. Environmental Monitoring Solutions provides integrated systems for monitoring discharges to the environment, to air, to water, to land, and it's of increasing concern to all our customers, industrial customers, government customers. It's a real tailwind sector. A lot of this stuff has been developed in universities. This is a multi-parameter sensor, so we can see plumes of pollution passing, we can see dissolved oxygen sags, we can see pH increases, we can see the temperature vary, we can see the depth vary, we can see the full river dynamics, and we commonly put these in and we send things over the internet so we can see what's happening in real time. This is a dust monitor, and this is due to be bolted to the Houses of Parliament. It's on the Bond Street tube station project. It's a 7-year project, and we're monitoring the dust around Bond Street for 7 years. We've got 3 or 4 of these going in, and again we stream the data back over the internet. We can see what's happening. We send it to interested parties. So it's a growing technology. People want to monitor the environment. I was originally a research associate at the University of Sheffield in the civil engineering department, looking at hydraulics. I worked predominantly with industry, with a lot of the water companies, consultants and so on, and through that I was invited to go more commercial, which I did, and I formed a company called Seams, which did software for asset management. So we ended up working for a lot of the water companies, and we went international. We diversified into road, had a major contract with the Highways Agency, into gas and rail. From that I've gone into other companies, taking the commercial investor with me. So it shows that you can make the transition from academia to industry and provide value for investors. And there's different ways of doing it. You know, you can take ownership, or a university can take part ownership in a company, a new company that's a spin out just to exploit a certain piece of intellectual property or a certain area. Or my favoured way would be to work with companies, existing companies that want to work with the university, take an idea, take it to their customers, take it to the market. They know better about exploiting ideas, they know better how to serve the customer, they can see it from the customer's point of view, whereas the universities are good at ideas. I think looking from the outside in, and having been on both sides of the fence, universities are large and complex organisations, and I think, you know, you look at what your own company does and look at the university, which part do you want to work with? Maybe approach that part of the university, maybe go to the central exploitation office, because often universities have one of those. So just pick a few points of contact, open the conversation, see where it goes. You may have an idea where you want help from the university. Again, find the right people. There's people there to help you find the way around. I think a lot of private industry don't know how to approach the university. I was lucky that I had the relationships, I knew how universities operated, but I think, you know, the universities will be there with open arms if just they're approached. So I think there may be a lesson in there for private industry, just to, you know, approach a university, just start talking. And I think there's also a lot of venture capital money out there ready to do this stuff. You know, they're looking for ideas, they're looking for stuff that makes sense to industry, but they won't just listen to a university. The commercial partner needs to be in there from the start. So there's definitely a win-win-win there if you look for it.